Are you working remotely, commute weekly, or a company looking for short, long-term accommodation in Skellefteå? Do you wonder how it is like living with us at Nordic Homestay? Come, let me show you.
Our homestay is located in the center of Skellefteå, where amenities are within 1 to 2 minutes walking distance. The rental space are located on the second and the third floor of this historical residence overlooking the sea and the central. The community living concept whereby like-minded people are sharing service costs and tenants are not tied to a long-term lease, instead benefiting from a flexible rental terms. The laundry room, kitchen, bathroom, sauna, leisure area, gym are shared among tenants. Everyone have their own private space to store food, utensil, or even book laundry and gym for your own use. This exciting ideas is for you to make new friends, providing an atmosphere for sharing ideas, knowledge, and experience. Occasionally, we do organize social events for residents to get together and socialize. Our bedrooms are spacious. All rooms have relaxing area, working station, good storage space. It's quiet and private. Our kitchens are big and well organized. Leisure areas are designed for spending relaxing fun time together. We hope that our homestay is your home, where you can live, rest, still have fun at our cultural social event, and that you don't have to worry about little things like Wi-Fi or what to do during your free time. No matter how long you are with us, you will be taken good care of.